Hey, what's going on YouTube, my family and my friends? It's your boy Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for everyone. So check this out. I know a lot of people see my files and they're like, oh, that's awesome, that's awesome, that's awesome, that's awesome. And they're like, they instantly come to Etsy and they download. But I need to get better at this, and I appreciate, all the reviews, all the purchases, everyone who's rocking with me on this Rhinestone adventure, right? But I know there's sometimes, I may not have 100% clear instructions, and if there isn't a video or a guide that just shows it step by step, and some people may get lost along the way, but I'm here to fix that. Okay, here's the file. So here's this queen, right? Now let me go back. I want to look at it a different way, so let's discard the changes. Let's click on it and let's view it. Alright, so there we have the Crown Me Queen SS10 Rhinestone template sublimation digital download. Okay, the length of this image is 16.844 inches and the width is 10.234. This design is a digital design sublimation image designed with SS10 rhinestones, right? Okay, now when you download this file, you'll pretty much get something that looks like this. Here we go. But they'll be in different folders, or there'll be different images. Let me open this up here. Alright, so for this one, this file here, it is the Queen Full, and the Full pretty much is also known as the guide. Let me go ahead and change that now, because I realized, naming it Full was confusing people at times, so I renamed it to Guide, the Queen Guide. So it shows the size of the rhinestone template here, which is 9.17 by 9.111. And pretty much this size for the rhinestone template will always be less than 11.5 inches. Why? Because I designed most of the designs to be cut out using a Cricut or Silhouette. And I understand that most people don't have access to the 15-inch cutters or even the 24-inch cutters. So I understand a lot of people that are just getting started, they went and bought the 12-inch versions of the machines, thinking that that was all they needed. I have a 24-inch vinyl cutter. I have a GCC Expert 24-inch. So when I started doing rhinestones 9 years ago, that's what I was working with, and that's what I'm still working with till this day. The only reason I went and bought a Cricut was to help you guys cut out these files. You know what I'm saying? Alright, the next one is, that's just the mock-up. Alright, and then this is the image, the JPEG image. See, because I have a Cricut, I know for a fact the Cricut utilizes the SVG files when it comes to cutting out the rhinestone templates. But you may have a brother scan and cut, or you may have a Silhouette, and that can utilize this JPEG image or even this PNG image here. You know what I mean? But the one that you want to use is this. It's an SVG file, but it comes up as Microsoft Edge HTML document. I don't know why it doesn't say SVG right here beside it. But if we go to the properties and go to the details, see, the name of the file is queenwithcrownstones.svg. Scalable vector graphic. So I don't know why on my computer, and maybe even on you guys' computers as well, it will come up as something different. You know what I mean? Microsoft Edge HTML document. But you're pretty much looking for this file right here. And let me show you. Let's go to Cricut. Alright, let's go to upload. And you see I've already uploaded it right here. But let's go to upload image here. Let's go to browse. And let's see what happens if I choose this queen with crown stones. This one. And I hit open. See, now it asks you select image type. Simple, moderately complex, or complex. Even if you chose, let's just go through it. You know what I mean? If you chose simple, right? And it runs through and it does it simple. And you hit continue. Alright. Now it's asking for a background remover, all of that. You don't need any of that. Let's just hit apply and continue. Now over here you got cut image, or then you got print and cut image. There's no need to print and cut Rhinestone templates. You have to just cut them. So let's go to cut image and let's hit upload. Alright, so this one should be the one. Let's choose that one and hit add to canvas. Now you see how it comes up so huge. Like, why does it come up huge like that? Okay, so let's see something here. You know, let's see if you tried it this way. Right? And let's go to the guide to see how big it's supposed to be. 9.17 by 9.111, right? Alright, so let's go back here. 9.17 by 9.111. Well, let's unlock this. 9.17 by 9.111. Alright. There it is. It's huge. Well, it was huge, but now it's no longer huge. We got it to the right width and height. Let's hit make it. Aha, it actually worked that way. But that's not the way that I would have done it. It does work that way if you're doing it that way. So let's go here to upload. And let's delete these so I don't confuse myself. Let's just delete all three of these. Now remember, the last time we chose the PNG image, right? This time, let's go in here and let's choose hold on, we got the details up. I want to be able to see. Oh, there we go. Alright, so last time we chose the PNG file, which is that one. Let's try the JPEG file now, which is the queen with crown stones. This one. Open that. We get the same three options. Let's even try complex this time. Alright, apply and continue. What happened to the circles for the cut image? Where did they go? Wow. And you got this print and cut image, but you don't want to choose that print and cut image. You know what I'm saying? Because look, it's still asking you to upload something right here. It's not saying make it right here. So let's go back. Let's go back. If we choose moderately complex and continue. Alright, apply and continue. Where's the image at? See? Let's go back. Back. Back to life. Back to reality. Alright. So let's see here. Let's hit browse here. The one you want to choose when dealing with Cricut is this one right here that looks like it has the little Microsoft Edge icon or whatever. The E for the Internet Explorer or whatever. When you upload that one, you don't get the option for simple, moderately complex, or advanced, or any of that. It just goes straight to upload to the cut image. When you hit upload here, boom, boom, now it's ready. You can click on here, add to canvas, and it actually pops in at the right size. See, it's supposed to be 9.17. I don't know why it comes in like off just a hair like that, but 9.17 by 9.111. Let's just unlock it here and change it up here to 9.17. Boom. Now hit make it here and you're ready to go. Source project onto map by color, and then I can just hit continue here. You know, that's after I've loaded my my rhinestone flock onto the mat. Alright, my machine isn't connected right now, guys. I just wanted to show y'all how to properly load up the rhinestone templates into your Cricut. I always want to choose the SVG file, and the SVG file pretty much is, it should look like this on your computer. You know, the type will most 9 times out of 10 say Microsoft Edge HTML document, or may even say SVG scalable vector graphic. That's the one you want to choose every time, and it'll work flawlessly. Alright, until we meet again, and I'm out.